Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Inferix token. Name of the token is Inferix, ticker symbol is also Inferix. Now this is a brand new token, ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. And this token, it was just announced, is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, March 14th, on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the Inferix token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this is a brand spanking new token here. They have basically no holders so far. It says 7 holders, and this is an Ethereum token, and it's not even available on Uniswap yet. Brand new token, 18 decimal places. There is a max total supply of 69 million Inferix tokens. And it was just announced that this token will be getting a brand new central exchange listing starting March 14th at 10 o'clock UTC time. This token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Inferix, and then simply just buy the token. So Inferix is an innovative platform for 3D rendering and AI inference using crowdsourced GPUs globally, #DPIN. So they have a Telegram you could follow at Inferix_GPU that has 4,221 members. 1,087 of them are online. It says explore Inferix's versatile GPUs, AI, mining, movie rendering, unleash potential across fields. And on their Telegram, they have a link to their Twitter and their webpage as well. So their Twitter, I'm going to put on the screen here as usual, is at InferixGPU_. 40 tweets on there so far. They have a link to their webpage right there, inferix.tech. 9,340 Twitter followers. And in their most recent tweet, they reposted the Mexc Global announcement. And there is a Kickstarter event going on today before the listing where you could vote with MX tokens to win massive airdrops. And they have a reward pool of 50,000 USDT, so you can get involved with that. That'll be on their Twitter there for you to check out. So on their webpage, in the top right-hand corner, there's a box. You click on that. It has roadmap, tokenomics, info, a full white paper. They also have their socials, and they have their contract address right on the webpage when you open it up. So access distributed Inferix power tailored to your needs. Harness collective Inferix power globally for affordable Vinferixes. Our AI-optimized cloud empowers seamless artificial intelligence app development, training, and scaling. As a market leader in low-cost cloud Inferix rental, our user-friendly interface saves you 5 to 6 times on compute costs effortlessly. So their use cases, it says explore Inferix's versatile GPUs, AI, mining, movie rendering, unleash potential across all fields. So AI training harness the power of high-end GPUs for efficient, scalable AI model training, compatible with various deep learning frameworks, and prioritizing data security. They also offer mining. So enhance cryptocurrency mining speed and profitability using our potent GPUs, minimize home energy costs and maintenance for increased efficiency. So movie rendering, attain professional grade movie renders swiftly with our powerful GPUs, compatible with various rendering software, significantly reducing rendering time. So the tokenomics, Inferix's tokens' robust tokenomics drive seamless transactions, incentivize engagement, and offer rewarding benefits within our ecosystem. So there's a total supply of 69 million tokens. Now the Inferix development roadmap, it says explore Inferix's upcoming phases from diverse payments to a unified marketplace, revolutionizing computing. And in phase 1 is they created the website, establish a comprehensive website, build the core team, a specialized team, develop initial protocol, craft and test the first protocol version. Then phase 2 of the roadmap is launch the testnet, deploy and invite community feedback, enhance the ecosystem, develop additional tools and services, establish partnerships, collaborate with other blockchain entities. Phase 3, launch the mainnet, officially start the Inferix mainnet, introduce tokenomics, detail token distribution and usage, expand marketing, so increase Inferix's visibility, boost user engagement, encourage community participation. Then we got integrate cross-chain, enhance interoperability with other blockchains, launch DeFi services, offer a range of DeFi products, strengthen security, continuously improve network security, global expansion, broaden international presence, then achieve self-governance, refine governance mechanisms, continue innovation, integrate the latest blockchain innovations, expand ecosystem partnerships, form more industry collaborations, and sustain growth, maintain a healthy economic model and user growth. At the core of the Inferix ecosystem lies the Inferix token, a transparently mined cryptocurrency with distinctive tokenomics. In a landscape valuing decentralization and equitable distribution, Inferix token distinguishes itself through unwavering integrity and fair reward mechanisms. And you can find this token newly listed on Mexc Global as of tomorrow. So check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc Global one. Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.